So we are back again with another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and install Arduino software on your PC or laptop. And we could also try putting on some codes and program to our Arduino and see what it looks like. So if you're into it, let's get started.
First, we are going to download the necessary files that are needed in this project. So, let's open our browsers and search on arduino.cc, and we are going to be redirected on this page. This is the official website of the Arduino, so click on Software. In this page, we are given these download options. Since I'm using Windows 10, I'm going to choose Windows 7 and newer. You can also choose any of their options which is compatible to your operating system. So I'm going to click this one. And here, just click on the Just Download option and wait till the download is finished. Next, for the CH340G USB driver, click on the New tab, paste the link, and you will be redirected to this page. Don't worry, I have already posted the link in the description down below, so you just have to check it out. Here we have to click download. Again, wait till the download is finished.
A few minutes later.
So we have finished downloading the necessary files. So let's first install the CH340G USB driver. Click on yes, click on install, and click OK. Close it. Next is we are going to install the Arduino IDE software. Click on yes, and I agree, next, and install. This may take a while, so let's just wait and see. Once it is done, click close. Now we're ready to go. First, let's check which computer port our Arduino is connected. So let's right click on this one, click on Device Manager, and let's plug our Arduinos. Here it says COM4, so let's just close this one, open the Arduino platform or the Arduino IDE software that we've just downloaded and installed earlier. Here we are given this platform. So first, let's click on Tools. The port is already on COM4 and it is already on Arduino Uno, so we're good to go. Here we're going to put
I feel good. I knew that I would not.
pin mode, pin mode 13, and put output. Oops.
Stop it. Get some help.
And here we are going to program our Arduino blinking lights. Hooray!
Hooray!
So let's put on digital right, space, 13, comma, high, break. Let's put some delays on it. Which is 250. milliseconds. That's on milliseconds. Digital write 13. Low. Put on brakes and put on delay for 100 and put brakes and upload this one. Save it. Blink test. Save. So it's done compiling. Can upload it on Arduino. Here we see that it is really blinking. All done. That's what you've needed. Thank you. See you again in the next video.